ದೇವಂ ಕಂಸಚಾಣೂರಮರ್ದನಂ ದೇವಕೀ ಪರಮಾನಂದಂ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ವಂದೇ ಜಗದ್ಗುರುಂ ನಮೋಸ್ತುತೆ ವ್ಯಾಸವಿಶಾಲಬುದ್ಧೇ ಪುಲ್ಲಾರವಿಂದಾಯತಪತ್ರನೇತ್ರ येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्ण प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमय प्रदीपः नमो नमः. Good afternoon, good morning from wherever you are joining. We have made inroads into the 18th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, Ashtadasha Adhyaya. It is a summary chapter. What has been covered in the other chapters have been touched upon in the 18th chapter. The 18th chapter named as Moksha Sannyasa Yoga. And in the Moksha Sannyasa, Bhagavan touches on sannyasa. What is sannyasa? To be happy within and sarvadharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja aham tva sarva papebhyo moksha ishyami ma shuchaha. He brings about the concept of moksha. What is freedom? Freedom, the real freedom, whatever we do, whatever we aspire, when we get it, generally it becomes a bondage. Earlier seemed to be good, but ends up as a bondage. But Shri Krishna says, ultimately everyone wants the freedom. I want to, everyone feels the struggle. I want to get liberated. I want to be freed. I am tired of this life. I am tired of this body. I want to go away. Who's that? Kalpana was saying that she went home and her father was saying that I want to go. So sooner or later everyone feels tired of this body. How long I can stay in the old home? It is an old home. Outside we change our homes 3 times, 5 times in lifetime. We renovate. This one, sooner or later we get tired. How long I can keep on living in the same body, same home? I am tired, I want to go. Ultimately that everyone is seeking moksha. I want to be free. How can I be free? And we are in the precincts of the Shivaratri. Tomorrow is Shivaratri. Today is Pradosha. Pradosha, usually it comes on the Dwadashi or Trayodashi day. There is a story that what is Pradosha? Pradosha, it's a twilight in the evening. It's called as Sandhya Kala in the morning and evening. In the evening time, Sandhya Kala, it is called as a Pradosha. Pradosha, Sandhya Kala, it is a Pradosha. Sandhya Kala, and today is every evening is a Pradosha. Pradosha means there is no dosha, it is auspicious. And on that, today is, according to the Tithi also, it is a Pradosha. And in the morning, the Sandhya Kala, it is called as Brahmi Muhurta. These two are very auspicious time. It says this is a God-given opportunity for us to do a sadhana. In the Sandhya Kala, evening time, light up a lamp, think of the Lord. In the morning also, Brahmi Muhurta. In the morning time, we are still in the bed. Brahmi Muhurta, we have not seen the sunrise. I don't know how sunrise looks like. I am under the blanket. In the evening time, I am in the party. I am in the evening party time, and both I am losing the opportunity. Morning Brahmi Muhurta I am not utilizing, and evening Pradosha I am not utilizing. There is a story in Mahabharata comes, one person, he lost his son early in the age. Son was still a child. That person took this child heavy-heartedly, took this child to the crematorium. this child has died so young, he could not bear the pain. And as he went to the crematorium and started weeping bitterly. And one vulture was there. It said, why are you crying so long? It is evening time is coming soon. Before the dusk comes in, go home. This is not a right place for you to stay in the evening time, burial ground. Lot of evil spirits are there. You, whatever you have to do, you finish off and go. At that time, one jackal was there. Jackal was saying that, why are you going so early? Aren't you feeling compassionate for your small baby? Why are you going early? Stay here. Nothing wrong. You stay as long as. Once the cremation is done, you can't see the body. You stay as long as you can and spend time with this body. And vulture said, how silly are you? Have you seen anyone coming back after death? Coming back after death, that nobody comes back after death. Not to waste your time, before the darkness sets in, you finish off and go. The fox has said, have you not heard about in Ramayana, Ramachandra killed Shambhukasura and brought the dead child back? Impossible can happen. You wait here. And vulture said, if every dead person is coming back, then there is no place for the new people to come. Not to waste your time, you not to listen to this jackal, you leave the body before the dusk is coming, you go. Leave the body and go. And fox said, if there is even a small fraction of possibility, like Ramachandra brought in a Ramachandra's court, one Brahmana came, when I am alive, my small child died. It is impossible. The theory, when the king is righteous, the younger cannot die before the parents. How my child died, I want an answer. And in Ramachandra, he went out and he saw Shambhukasura. One demon was doing a severe tapas. He was doing intense tapas to Lord Shiva. He was doing a tapas on Lord Shiva, and Ramachandra went and killed him. People are asking, Ramachandra is this Shambhukasura, he is the outcast, that's why Ramachandra killed. Not that one. Ramachandra, why he killed? Because Shambhukasura, he was praying to Shiva. What is the intention? The Shiva, may Parvati become my wife. His intention was wrong intention. Just because I am doing the tapas doesn't mean it is a great one. He was doing a tapas, may Parvati become my wife. It is a Asadupasana, Ramachandra, and when he died, killed, then this child came back. And fox said, even small fraction is possibility is there that the small child, your child can come back. Why hurry? You stay here. This man was so confused. Both arguments seemed to be good arguments. He was so baffled. His pain, and he was, it did not subsided, it became more pain. It's whether to go, vulture is saying and not saying. And the hearing, the seeing this predicament of this man wailing bitterly, did not know whether to go out or stay. And it was an evening time, dusk time. Maharudra on the Nandi, along with Parvati, they were going for looking at how is the citizens. This Prapancha belongs to Maharudra. Evening, he is going, how are my devotees. He was going on the Nandi, and Parvati urged, "Look, this man is wailing. Can you do some grace him?" And so Maharudra, he came down and he heard the argument. He heard the argument, and Maharudra said, the advice given by vulture, it is not out of generosity. Vulture is worried after dusk it cannot see. It cannot eat this body. Fox is worried when the vulture is awake in the daytime, it cannot eat. It can see in the night time, it can eat. It is both are giving good advice, but not out of goodness. The selfish interest. Selfish interest. But Shiva said, Maharudra, you both argued. You quoted from the scriptures. You told, though you had a selfish interest, what you told, before that one, I bless this man, may this child come back to life. And this child came back and told this vulture and jackal, though you quoted the Shastra, told out of selfish interest, you quoted from the scriptures, may you never again face hunger and thirst. So their purpose was to get the food. Rudra blessed them also, and this wailing man, his purpose also solved. And the message of this one is people are out there to give free advice. There is how genuinely they are giving, you should be mindful. There may be the selfish interest will be there. And the second advice is evening time and morning time, Sandhya Kala, utilize that one for sadhana, not to waste your time in out in the party. It's a God-given opportunity. Mahabharata says, Sandhya Kala, light up a lamp, at least 2 minutes. Even if you have to go for a party, not to forget to light up a lamp, sit for meditation. It is a Sandhya Kala. It is believed that in the evening time, Shiva along with his parivara goes around for supervising. In the early morning, Brahmi Muhurta, Usha Kala, you utilize that one for your sadhana. That is the message. And tomorrow, being Shivaratri, I will be talking from the Linga Purana and Puranas, what it talks about Rudram. I will be talking about inner messages from the Shastras. Arjuna Uvacha Sannyasasya Mahabaho Tattvamichchami Veditam Tyagasya cha Hrishikesha Pratakeshini Sudana Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Kamyanam Karmanam Nyasam Sannyasam Kavayo Viduhu Sarvakarma Palatyagam Prahustyagam Vichakshanaha Tyajyam Dosha Vadityeke Karma Prahur Manishinaha Yajnadana Tapakarma Natyajamiti Chapare Nishchayam Shunume Tatra Tyage Bharata Sattama Tyago hi Purusha Vyagra Trivida Samprakirtitaha Yajnadana Tapakarma Natyajyam Karyameva Tat Yajnodanam Tapaschaiva Pavanani Manishinam. Yajna means Yajana, the Dhatu, it talks about Yajana Deva Pujayam. Your life you dedicate for the higher cause, and involve whatever you are doing, involve others also in your great work. Dana, never forego the dana. I was talking here in the group, in the Garuda Purana, talks about make so much of wealth. Be be passionate to make such a wealth. That wealth, kings cannot tax it. Taxmen cannot come. Acquire such a wealth. Thieves cannot come and steal it. Even they hack into your phone and make you install app and empty your money. Not even the hackers cannot steal and acquire such a money that entirely you take it along when you die. That money you passionately acquire that one. But forgetting about this one, contrary to this one, we are so focused on money outside. As I am aging, my children are eyeing on my wealth, my friends are eyeing on my wealth. Those who are given loan, they are waiting for me to pay off, and people wants to steal my money. And here in Australia, if you do not nominate, the state will take the money and entirely it will be here. And it is saying that make dana. Dana is the one in Yaksha Prashna asked the question, Yaksha asked the question, what is that? The treasure of a dying person. What is that? Yudhishthira says, the charity is the one. It brings the lot of solace to the departed soul. And yajnodhanam tapaschaiva, austerity, it purifies even the great people. Etanyapitu karmani sangam tyaktva palani cha kartavya niti me partha निश्चितं मतमुत्तमं नियतस्य तु सन्न्यासा कर्मणो नोपपद्यते मोहातस्य परित्यागा तामसः परिकीर्तितः दुःखमित्येव यत्कर्म कायक्लेशाभयात् त्यजेत् सकृत्वा राजसं त्यागं नैव त्यागफलं लभेत्. Dukkamityeva, out of fear. If you sacrifice something, it won't give you the punya. And people, when I talked about Garuda Purana, people say you should not read if your parents are alive. You should not read Garuda Purana. And if you are not reading, you want your son to read once you die, and what is the use? Purana is, people say, Garuda Purana, don't keep it in your house. Don't read it if your parents are alive. And your son will read it for you when you go. And you should read, and all our confusion, even scriptures, is out of fear. Dukkamityeva, I have given up reading Garuda Purana out of fear. No punya will come. No punya. Your son will be reading. Still that you will get no benefit. And the son will be, and you will invite some Pandit. He is in busy. He has a few appointments. And Garuda Purana, he is after lunch. He will come. You will be dozing. And he will read few verses and he will go. And you will say, I read Garuda Purana, my father has gone to Swarga. And that is how it's karyamityeva yat karma नियतं क्रियते अर्जुन सङ्गं त्यक्त्वा फलं चैव सत्यागा सात्विको मतः न द्वेष्टा कुशलं कर्म कुशलेनानुषज्यते त्यागी सत्त्वसमाविष्टो मेधावी छिन्न संशयः न हि देहभृता शक्यं त्यक्तुं कर्मण्यशेषतः यस्तु कर्मफलत्यागी सत्यागीत्यभिधीयते अनिष्ट इष्टमिश्रं च त्रिविधं कर्मणः फलम् भवत्या त्यागिनं प्रेत्य न तु सन्न्यासिनां क्वचित्. Whatever actions you do with desire, the outcomes are positive, as desired, as undesired, or mixed outcome will come. But not the one for the sattvic, no expectation. I am doing for the may Bhagavan will be pleased. The sadhana I am not doing for when go to a temple they ask for sankalpa. Please tell me a sankalpa, what you want. And I will ask for, I will give only $10 donation and I will ask for $1 million house. Giving $10, I want that one. And that is how we go to Tirupati, we will go put some money, we expect something. It's a bartering. It is putra pautra, aishwarya, arogya, samruddhi mastu. Priest will say, whatever sankalpa you have, it will have 3 types of karma. Whatever you think, it will come back. For example, our Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has become a Prime Minister. It is not one day sankalpa. He would have thought about in previous life, I want to become something Prime Minister. Nothing happens. Whatever wish you have, Bhagavan, this bhumi is called as Kamadhenu. Whatever you have, wish, good or bad, it will pay a reap. I wish somebody bad. Something will happen, but counter reaction will happen to me also. I want to be a millionaire. This life I did not, but it will, the good or bad outcome will be there. One person went to a Mahayogi. He said, what is this life? I am already 70. I never enjoyed what money means. I never enjoyed what wealth means. And he said, gave him one pot. And he said, every time you put your hand inside, you will get money. And you will get money. When you are tired of that one, please return the pot back to me. This man, 70-year-old, he put his hand inside and brought out one gold coin. Oh, again, gold coin. And he started in the morning. He did not stop for lunch. He did not stop for dinner. He did not stop for sleeping. And continuously, 1 day, 2 days, getting, and pile of gold coin, and he died. And this one, whatever you want, you will get. But happiness will you get? That is no guarantee. Guarantee, panchaitani mahabaho karanani nibodame sankhye kritante proktani siddhaye sarva karmanam adhishtanam tata karta karanam cha pratak vidam vividascha pratak cheshta daivam chaivatra panchamam. Whatever you do, ultimately, tomorrow also we'll talk about, nobody has a power to give anything. No devatas can give, ultimately even given by me alone. Whatever, the God is one. For example, this country, I am getting some benefit from the government. Whatever benefit, everything is given by the Prime Minister. Nothing local council can give. But under jurisdiction, ultimately it comes from the Prime Minister. So is whatever we get in our life, it is from the God alone, Bhagavan alone. We can say the local mayor gave us $1,000 and this person gave another member of parliament $500. Nobody can give. Everything comes from the Prime Minister. So is other devatas, they are the conduit for that one. We should be very clear. When we are applying for the letter, we are writing to the Prime Minister through proper channel. I am giving the letter to the local member of parliament, but addressed to the Prime Minister. I am giving to the Devata, proximity, Ganapati, Shiva, they are the representative. I am giving them application. It is addressed to him. Please pass on my submission to Bhagavan. We need a conduit. We can't apply directly. We can't write directly to the Prime Minister. We need a Madhyama. We are applying through the Devi, she worships Muruga, applying through Muruga. Please convey my submission to him. So this is Daivam Chaivatra. Whatever happens, it is because of the Daiva, Bhagavan. Sharira Vangmano Biryat Karma Prarabhate Naraha Nyayam Va Viparitam Va Panchaite Tasya Hetavaha Tatraivam Sati Kartaram Atmanam Kevalam Tuyaha Pashyatya Akrita Buddhyatma Nasa Pashyati Durmati Yasya Naham Krito Bhavo Buddhir Yasya Na Lipyate Hatvapi Sa Imam Lokan Nahanti Na Nipadyate. When you know that one, no selfish desire, everything offered to the Lord, even if you are indulged in action, it won't affect you. And long time back when I was in Calcutta, that in the prison, that famous prison, and that person hung somebody, that it's a court sentenced him to death, and he hung somebody. And after that they interviewed, he said, I did not do anything. I am just following the order. For that person, he is a jailer. Its job is to hang people, and he has totally disconnected. I am not doing anything. Hatva pisa imam lokam nahantina nibadyate. For him, though he hung somebody to death, that the stigma of killing won't affect. It is not what you do, what is your mental thinking behind your action. That matters. If you, for example, you wanted to kill somebody, you shot at somebody, you missed the target, you did not do. But the intention was there. Because of that intent, that court will sentence you, though you did not injure. Because of the intent, they will sentence. What is behind, motive behind the action, that is binds you. Jnanam jneyam parijnata ತ್ರಿವಿಧ ಕರ್ಮ ಚೋದನ ಕರಣಂ ಕರ್ಮ ಕರ್ತೇತಿ ತ್ರಿವಿಧ ಕರ್ಮ ಸಂಗ್ರಹ ಜ್ಞಾನಂ ಕರ್ಮ ಚ ಕರ್ತಾ ಚ ಹೃದೈವ ಗುಣಭೇದತಃ ಪ್ರೋಚ್ಯತೆ ಗುಣಸಾಂಖ್ಯಾನೇ ಯಥಾ ವಶೃಣುತಾನ್ಯಪಿ ಸರ್ವಭೂತೇಷು ಏನೈಕಂ ಭಾವ ಅವ್ಯಯ ಈಕ್ಷತೆ ಅವಿಭಕ್ತಂ ವಿಭಕ್ತೇಷು ತಜ್ಞಾನಂ ವಿದ್ಧಿ ಸಾತ್ವಿಕಂ ಪೃಥಕ್ತ್ವೇನ ತು ಜ್ಞಾನಂ ನಾನಾ ಭಾವಾತ್ ಪೃಥಕ್ ವಿದಾನ್ ವೇತ್ತಿ ಸರ್ವೇಷು ಭೂತೇಷು ತಜ್ಞಾನಂ ವಿದ್ಧಿ ರಾಜಸಂ ಯತ್ತು ಕೃಷ್ಣವದೇ ಕಸ್ಮಿನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯೇ ಸಕ್ತ ಅಹೈತುಕಂ ತತ್ವಾರ್ಥ ಅವದಲ್ಪಂ ಚ ತತ್ತಾಮಸ ಉದಾಹೃತಂ ನಿಯತಂ ಸಂಗರಹಿತಂ ರಾಗದ್ವೇಷತಃ ಕೃತಂ ಅಫಲಾಪ್ರೇಪ್ಸುನಾ ಕರ್ಮ ಯತ್ತತ್ ಸಾತ್ವಿಕ ಉಚ್ಯತೆ ಯತ್ತು ಕಾಮೇಪ್ಸುನಾ ಕರ್ಮ ಸ ಅಹಂಕಾರೇಣ ವಾ ಪುನಃ ಕ್ರಿಯತೆ ಬಹುಲಾಯಾಸಂ ತದ್ರಾಜಸ ಉದಾಹೃತಂ. The sattvic action, never one get tired. Never one get tired. Rajasic, you get exhausted. You are waiting for Friday. Thank God it is Friday. And Rajasic action, it is a motive, self-motive is there. It is tiring. Kriyate bahula ayasam. Very exhausted. Anubandham kshayam himsa. Anavekshya cha paurusham. Mohadarabhyate karma. Yattat tamasa uchyate. Mukta sango naham vadi. Dhriti utsaha samanvitaha. Siddha siddho nirvikara. Karta satvika uchyate. Mukta sangha, sattvic people, how they do, no attachment, no personal attachment. When no personal attachment, abundance of energy comes to you. Mukta sango na aham vadi, dhriti, so focused, utsaha, full of motivation in life, the full of exuberance in life, samanvitaha, full of exuberance and full of positivity is siddha asiddho nirvikara, not affected by the outcome of the action. The sattvic person always thinks getting an opportunity to do itself is a blessing. Our teachers, they have done a teachers training. What is that? The phala, getting an opportunity to teach itself is a Bhagavan Kripa. Many people, we don't know how to share what we have. People are craving for that one. I want to give it something. But nobody is listening to me. Nobody is interested in listening and able to give what you have. It itself is a kripa. It is siddha siddho. How many people I am doing my best, how many people come, it is not in my control. But what is in my control, I am throwing my heart behind what I am doing. That itself is my Bhagavat Seva. Siddha siddho nirvikara. Sometimes good number, sometimes no number, I am not affected. Karta satvika uchyate. That type of action is a sattvic mood. Ragi, the number of people do not determine how happy I am. My happiness is not dependent on number of people. Happiness in my, as whatever I am doing, as an offering to the highest. When I am going to the king, I don't want to take a cheap stuff. I want to give the best. When I am sitting in front of the students, I want to give the best. I don't want to give whether 1 student or 10 students. I want to give the best. That attitude, that is called as a sattvic type of people. Ragi karma phala prepsu. Lubdo himsatmako ashuchihi. Harsha shokanvita karta. Rajasa parikirtitaha. Ragi karma phala prepsu, always thinking about what is in for me, and so attached to my title, my job role. I'm attached to my center. I don't want to share with the other center. That rajasic one, lubdo, and very greedy, himsatmako ashuchihi. Harsha shoka, today I'm happy, tomorrow I'm sad. I am like a yo-yo. That is rajasic people. Ayukta prakrita stabda. Shato naikritiko lasaha. Vishadi dirga sutri cha. Karta tamasa uchyate. Always saying, oh, problem, my life is a problem. Always saying some excuse, I have that problem. That is the tamasic people. Vishadi dirga sutri. Whatever you say, never it will get done. People have to chase you, and after that they stop chasing you, they will do it themselves. Then they will argue, when you could do yourself, why are you pestering me? They will put it back onto that person. And next time you do yourself. And buddhirbedam dhrite chaiva gunata trividha shrunam prochyamana sheshena pritatvena dhananjaya pravrittincha nivrittincha karya karye baya baye bandham moksham chaya veti buddhi sa partha satviki. Bandham moksham, what is bondage, what is freedom? One who knows that one, that is the sattvic type of people, the mentality. And initially we make friendship with so many people, and after that it is a bondage. Epstein file, millions of pages have come, and ministers are resigning after 10 years, 20 years. Some wrong association. At that time it was a thrill, and now it is a bondage. Why did I make? We want to make friendship with high flyers, wealthy, influential people. We don't know what is their background. For the namesake, I want to be in an elite company, and after that regret. That sattvic people, they have clear idea where to engage, where not to engage. Yeya dharma adharmam cha karyam cha akaryam eva cha ayatavat prajaniti buddhi sa partha rajasi. That what to do, what not to do, prajaniti, that is the rajasic one. Sumana was saying that her classmates were saying, we are proud of our group. None of us are in Epstein's file. And not just because you're not there doesn't mean you're a sattvic person. And
everybody has a clean chit because nobody is in Epstein's file.
Adharmam dharmamiti ya manyate tamasavrata sarvartan viparitanscha buddhi sa partha tamasi dhrityaya dharayate mana pranendriya kriyaha yogena vyabhicharinya Dhriti sa partha raja satviki. Tomorrow we'll talk about yogena avyabhicharinya. Yoga, when you embark, you should not miss the goalpost. So many people enter into the portals of yoga, but very few will come to the finish line, because so many temptations, so many distractions come along the way, because vyabhicharinya. I became popular, I got something, I got sidetracked. And Yukteswar, Swami Yukteswar, Yogananda's, Paramahamsa Yogananda's guru, he sent two of his close friends, disciples to America, spread the message. Yogananda, he was Paramahamsa Yogananda, steadfast and focused, and he became brilliant. His friend is also very competent, but sidetracked for the money, and people got attracted and got married to a local person and finished the game. And along the way, so many temptations. Tomorrow I will talk about vyabhicharinya. I got something, and along the way, I stopped the practice. You have to go, the finish line is not that close. You have to work hard. Life's to come, and yayatu dharma kamartan dhritya dharayate arjuna prasangena palakankshi dhriti sa partha rajasi yaya swapnam bhayam shokam vishadam madameva cha na vimuchyanti durmeda dhriti sa partha tamasi. The tamasic people always regret. And tomorrow also we'll talk about tamasic qualities, maximum in number. We are surrounded by mostly tamasic environment, and we also become polluted with that one. And Kena Upanishad, we are talking about Vishada, not to have regret in your life. When you realize the higher purpose, no amount of the bad things you have done will affect you. Now, I will touch upon that one tomorrow as well as in Kena Upanishad class. Sukham tvidanim trividam shunu me bharatarshaba abhyasa ramate yatra dukkantam cha nigacchati yatadagre vishamiva pariname amritopamam tatsukam satvikam proktam atma buddhi prasadajam. Initially it is like a tough, teacher is very tough, but ultimately you experience why I have become this way, because thank God I had a very tough teacher. Had I been a very easy teacher, no learning and no progress in my life. Initially it's tough, and outcome is good. That is called a sattvic sadhana. Vishayendriya samyogat yatadagre amritopamam pariname vishamiva tatsukam rajasam smritam yatagre chanubande cha sukham mohanamatmanaha nidralasya pramadotam tattamasa udahritam natadasti pritivyam vadivi deveshu va punaha sattvam prakriti jairmuktam yade bisyatri birgunaihi brahmana kshatriya visham shudranam cha parantapa karmani prabhaktani svabhava prabhavairgunaihi shamodamah tapah shaucham क्षान्ति आर्जवमेव च ज्ञानं विज्ञान आस्तिक्यं ब्रह्मकर्म स्वभावजं शौर्यं तेजो धृति दाक्ष्यं युद्धे च पलायनं दानमीश्वरभावश्च क्षात्रं कर्म स्वभावजं कृषि गोरक्ष्य वाणिज्यं वैश्यकर्म स्वभावजं परिचर्यात्मकं कर्म शूद्रस्यापि स्वभावजं. In the current days, they are saying that you have to be multi-talented, multi-skilled. You can't say, I am only doing this job. You can't survive. In our life also, you can't say, I have only Brahmanic quality. I don't want to do any Kshatriya or Vaishya or Shudra. You should have the knowledge about all four. Shudra means able to help out, serve, wherever required. The cleaning you have to do, and who is that on Friday I had a bit of free time and I was cleaning the toilets. I can't say I am the owner, I can't do. You should do as a service. Our Narayan Murthy, that he cleans his own bedroom house, he does his own. Though he's a CEO of one of the well-known company, and he does his own. You should be able to do cleaning. You can't say, I don't want to do. That is called as Shudra Swabhava, and Kshatriya Swabhava, you should, the Vaishya Swabhava, whatever talent you have, you should be able to market it. We have built this center. Now, everyone should become a marketeer. Vaishya, we should sell what we have to the community. Not just, we have that one, let people come. If they want, they will come. Not that one. You should be a salesperson. Everyone must be a salesperson and sell what you have. What you are passionately following, you should be able to sell. And Kshatriya, you should be able to defend against detractors or negative people. If they are criticizing, you should be able to stand up. Stand up, you should have the ability to stand up, not to go in their way to argue against the organization itself. Kshatriya, your home, you have to be able to protect the family. Kshatriya. Brahmana means you should be able to think ahead. Think ahead as a parent, think ahead for your children, what is good for them. Give them a right direction. It's a long-range vision. Personally, I also should have a long-range vision, how I should spend my, in any contract, there is a sunset clause is there. When the business is folding, how do you want to fold it? When I am dying, how you want to finish the game of your life? Sunset clause. You should also think about how I should spend my last days in my life. That Brahmana, you have to think ahead. God will look after, not that one. You should, otherwise there is no point in mentioning the long-range thinking. You should think about how you have to spend your last days. That is the Brahmanic. Sve sve karmanya abhirata samsiddhim labate naraha swakarma nirata siddhim yata vindati tashrunum. Shri Krishna says, though you know all four, you are specialized in one area, whatever is your skill, competency, you dive deep into that one. Abhirata, you go in that one and you become a master in that one. You become a master, you become an expert in that area. And how you become an expert? Listen. Yata pravritti bhutanam येन सर्व इदं ततं स्वकर्मणा तमर्भ्यर्च सिद्धिं विन्दति मानव यथा प्रवृत्तिभूतानां येन सर्व इदं Bhagavan is pervading everywhere in all profession. Whatever profession you are in, through that one you can realize Tata Idam, Supreme Lord you can realize. Dr. Manish as a doctor, he can, becoming an exemplary doctor, he can realize the God. Dr. Devi, it's through your, this one, Mani as in the factory, whatever he is doing is the best. It is the way to realize the God. Not that God is only in one place. He is there, sarva idam tatam. Whatever is your profession, because Bhagavan is there within, he is making us to unlock our potential. Whatever way we are unfolding, that flower, let us offer to the Lord. It can be offered to the Lord. Whatever is way. And Shreyan Swadharmo Vigunaha Paradharma Swanishtitat Swabhava Niyatam Karma Kurvan Apnoti Kilbisham. The path of emancipation for you is in your skill. Swadharme Nidanam. My passion, my skill set is in medicine. But in IT, if they say lot of money, per day they get $2,000 for AI profession. So I give up my medicine and become a AI expert. I may get the money, but no joy. I lost the lotus. It was blooming in though it is a muddy water. I thought I want to become another one. I pulled out the lotus and in one day I wither. There is no beauty. Lotus has gone. The beauty in me has gone. What is your skill set? What is your special trait? Not just because others are telling you are doing. Swadharme Nidanam Shreya. You, that is the path of liberation. Sahajam karma kaunteya. Sadosham api natyajet. Sarvaramba hi doshena. Dhume agniravrata. Every profession has a positive and negative, and every fire is accompanied by smoke, and not to just see the one side. They say that from far away, all grass looks green. But when you go close, you realize what is the reality. What is the reality? First time when we came to Australia, we said, it's a fantastic place. Fantastic place. Look at our country is bad. And as we are staying, we see the positivity there also. We start seeing the negativities here also. Plus and minus. From outside, everything looks rosy. But when you come closer, you realize the reality. Sri Krishna says, Sarva arambha hi doshena. Whatever, wherever, there is a plus and minus. Asakta buddhi sarvatra. Jitatma vigataspruha. Naishkarmya siddhim paramam. Sanyasena digacchati. Then asakta buddhi, wherever you are, no comments. Wherever you are, now, that is so good, that is so bad, asakta buddhi. You do, you have to do. Nothing so good, nothing so bad. Whatever you are doing, do without personal attachment. Siddhim prapto yata dharma. Tatapnoti nibodame. Samasena iva kaunteya. Nishta jnanasya vayapara. Buddhya vishuddhaya yukto. Dhrityatmanam niyamya cha. Shabdadin vishayan styaktva. Ragadvesho vidasya cha. Vivikta sevi lagvashi. Yatavakaya manasaha. ಧ್ಯಾನಯೋಗ ಪರೋ ನಿತ್ಯಂ ವೈರಾಗ್ಯಂ ಸಮುಪಾಶ್ರಿತಃ. Spend time for yourself. Seek a seclusion. Not some people, even for going for a walk, they need a company. Spend time for yourself. I mentioned about Brahmi Muhurta and evening Sandhya. Spend time, Lagvashi, and not to be glutton. Keep on hoarding. Minimize your personal needs. Yatha walk, reduce your talking. And Garuda Purana says, if you want to talk with the scholars, talk with jnanis, talk with them. What is there to talk about with the ordinary people? They also have no meaning. I whole night party, I don't know what I talked, they also don't know. And what is the use of wasting your time? Dhyana yoga paro nityam. Think of the dhyana, what is the it gives the permanent solace to you. Contemplate on that one. Nityam vairagya samupashritaham. Always connect yourself to the Bhagavan. Think of him. Revel within. Ahankaram balam darpam. Kamam krodam parigraham. Vimuchya nirmama shanto. Brahma bhuyaya kalpate. Brahmabhuta prasannatma. Na shochati na kankshati. Samasarveshu bhuteshu. Madbhaktim labate param. Brahmabhuta prasannatma. When you experience that one, you start developing the devotion. I thought all these years everything is running according to my plan. I realize nothing goes as my plan. I totally surrender to the highest. Bhagavan, nothing happens in my life according to my plan. Bhaktya mam abhijanati. Yavat ischasmi tatvatah. Tato mam tatvato jnatva. Vishate tadanantaram. Sarva karmanyapi sada. Kurvano matvipashrayah. Matprasada avapnoti. Shashvatam padamavyayam. Chetasa sarva karmani. Mayi sanyasya matparaha. Buddhi yoga upashritya. Machitta satatam bhava. Machitta sarva durgani. Matprasada tarishyati. Atachet svamahankara. Na shrushyati vinangshyasi. Yadahankara ashritya. Na yotsya iti manyase. Nityesha vyavasayaste. Prakritistvam niyokshyati. Swabhavajena kaunteya. Vibadda svena karmana. Kartum nechasi yanmoha. Karishye avashopi tat. Ishvara sarva bhutanam. Hridyesherjuna tishtati. Ramayan sarva bhutani. Yantra rudani mayaya. Tameva sharanam gaccha. Not tvameva. Tameva sharanam gaccha. Sarva bhavena bharata. Tatprasadat param shantim. Sthanam prapyasi shashvatam. Iti te jnanamakyatam. Guhya guhyataram maya. Vimrishyat tad asheshena. Yatechasi tatha kuru. Bhagavan gives the freedom. Analyze what I am saying and do what is right for you. Sarva guhyatamam bhuya. Shunu me paramam vacha. Ishtosi me dridamiti. Tato vakshyami te hitam. The teacher says again and again because teacher likes the student, likes the welfare of the student. That is why teacher is not tired of saying. Shri Krishna says, do whatever you want. Then he says, you are dear to me. That's why I am telling you again. Manmana bhava madbhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mame vaishyasi satyam te pratijane priyosi me sarvadharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja aham tva sarvapapebhyo mokshayishyami ma shuchaha. Not to say that profession is better, this profession is better. Every profession has a fault. And so, not to dwell on where the fault is there, dwell on me. I am faultless. Whatever is your profession, sarva dharman, whatever is your background, seek me. I am blemish, no blemish. I am most pure. Whatever profession you are engaging, there are faults. I am faultless. Mamekam, Bhagavan Shri Krishna says, ekam, not here, not here, not bit, not bit. One alone, seek me alone, I am the most purest. I can only purify, sanctify everything. The whole gamut of this universe is under my sway. Seek me, aham tva, I am so pure, I alone can purify you. Not dipping in Manasarovar, you won't get purified if you don't have bhakti. Bhakti is important. Associate with, that is what I am calling people. Come, sit with me, learn what is sadhana. People don't want to come, they want to take dip in Manas thinking that they will be purified. They want to go to Kailas, they want to purify. It is only a physical exertion and nothing more than that. Shri Krishna says, surrender to me. And I am the sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami. I will liberate you. And dhyana moolam guru murti, then what is that? Moksha moolam guru kripa. Moksha moolam, unless you have the grace of the guru, the path of the higher possibility, it won't open. You have to have the association of jnanis and you have to sit by them. Without their grace, I may spend lot of money, the path won't open. Imam te na tapaskaya na bhaktaya kadachana na cha shushrushave vachyam na cha mam yo abhyasuyati. Shri Krishna says, I will liberate you. And see, Shri Krishna says, not to waste your time telling about this glorious Bhagavad Gita, na tapaskaya, those who do not know what is tapas. Those who do not know how to do the tapas sadhana. They are only, they can't enjoy, they are party people. They don't want to do the sadhana. No point in telling about Bhagavad Gita. Na bhaktaya, they have no devotion to the Lord. Not to tell them if they do not interested in hearing. Nacha shushrushave vachyam. They don't want to hear these nectar-like words. What is good for you, if you say, they get angry. Not to say about, talk to them, yobhyasuyate and yo abhyasuyati. One hates me. One hates me not to tell. This Bhagavad Gita, not to waste. And next one, in the same breath, Shri Krishna says that one, ya idam paramam guhyam madbhakteshvabhidasyati bhaktim mayi param kritva mame aveshya asamshayah. Shri Krishna says at the same time not to miss an opportunity to tell this one to the right people. Shri Krishna says those who talk about this Bhagavad Gita to the right people, ya idam paramam, top secret, to the right ears, those who want to hear, they attain more bhakti undoubtfully. Whatever is their mode of life, they will come to me. The moksha marga, Shri Krishna talks about one who spends time giving the, not talk about in the some people they talk about their religion in the market square and I don't care who listens and sit on the box and they yell. Not that one. You talk to one who is keen. Shri Krishna says they are very dear to me. He is very dear, undoubtedly that person comes to me. And nacha tasman manushyeshu kaschin me priyakrittamaha bhavita cha me kratasmat bhavita nacha me tasma anya priyataro bhuvi. That type of person who talks about Bhagavad Gita to the interested ears, there is no more dear Priyakrittaman. They cannot do any more pleasing things to me. This is the most pleasing things to me, and in the past or the future, nobody can do any higher thing than talking about the glory of the Lord. That is, and that person, this Priyakrittamaha, the most dear to me. That person, one who talks about that one, that person, nobody can do any higher things than talking about the glory of this one. It is a super psychology, liberates people, gives the freedom. What more? What more? Shri Krishna says, embark on this one, talk to few people who are interested. Not to waste your time, talk about Bhagavad Gita in the loud party. Talk to one who is interested, you will become extremely dear to Bhagavan. Undoubtedly, you will be freed. Moksha. Bhagavan says, I will liberate you. And Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanura Mardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum.